Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George.
The Pig and the Sheep. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd with sheep. He used to take good care of his sheep. The sheep was also very happy to be with his master. One day, the shepherd spotted a fat pig in the meadow where his sheep were pastured. He immediately captured the poor pig. Just as the shepherd grabbed him, the pig squealed as loudly as he could when the shepherd laid his hands on it. Because of his loud squeal, the shepherd cruelly hurt him. But in spite of its squeals and struggles to escape, the shepherd tucked his prize under his arm and started off to the butcher's in the marketplace. The sheep in the pasture were much astonished and amused at the pig's behavior, and followed the shepherd and his charge to the pasture gate. "What makes you squeal like that?" asked one of the sheep. "The shepherd often catches and carries one of us all the time, but we have never screamed like you did. You should feel ashamed to make such a terrible fuss about it." "That is all very well," replied the pig, with a squeal and a frantic kick. "When he catches you, he is only after your wool. But in my situation, he wants to kill me and eat my bacon." Hearing this, the sheep realized how pitiful the pig is.